webRTC is a popular real-time streaming technology that can be applied in various scenarios. Many people want to use it in Unity too. If you want to use webRTC in Unity, you would typically start by using the official supported package. While the official package works well in most cases, there are currently several unresolved issues. One such issue is the crash that occurs when calling webRTC initialized. This video provides a solution to this problem. First, let's take a look at this GitHub issue. The user reported a crash when using version 2.4.0, and from the official response, it appears that they believe it's due to the NVIDIA graphics card not support NV codec. I have encountered a similar issue myself. In my case, I was using package version 3.0.0. After downloading the package, my project would abruptly close without any error information. I'm using GT 1030 with the latest driver. Currently, my situation is similar to this issue. I suppose our graphics cards are CUDA platform, but not support NV codec. In other words, this graphics card doesn't support hardware H.264 encoder. Through my research, I found the location in the plugin where the crash occurs. It crashed when trying to call NV encoder API. I refer to NVIDIA's GitHub project on how to use this API. And from this project, we can see that it checked for DLL before calling NV codec API. By implementing this same check, we can resolve the crash issue.